why I don't let your mom pack your bag for you.
Jesse doesn't like how I pack the bag. He says it's uneven. Bear spray. This is our first time bringing it with us. So it has this little safety here. You pop that off and you squeeze. Pop and squeeze. So we've been to this trail before, but we took a different route to get there. So this is kind of cool. We're on a street that we've never been down before. I really enjoy exploring these neighborhoods. These old buildings. They just fascinate me. Just want to know the stories behind every single one of them. I'm stuck. Oh my god. I completely submerged. Oh, it got into my sock and everything. Not that far, yeah. It's really not the longest hike. I think we're going this way, hon.
I just want to see the church.
Oh, okay.
Dramatic for the gate.
So once you get on,
The fences are in the current state.
yeah, it's all for looks. Maybe they used to have a bigger fence. So anyway, from when you actually get on the trail to here is probably what, like half an hour?
Yeah.
Maybe? It's not super long.
Take breaks.
So what we're gonna do this time is we're gonna hike along the ravine, along the river.
Yep.
And like we did last time, except last time we were right on the river. This time we're gonna go, there's a trail apparently that's up a little bit.
On the right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We're gonna take that
which one you're
trail,
talking about.
and I think that's the one that's gonna take us to our waterfall. I don't know if it's that one exactly, but well, whatever, we'll find it. Oh, here, this will tell you, the sign will tell you how far to Pogradec. 2.2 kilometers from here to Pogradec. Look at the views. I'm good. Oh, all right, let me pull out all trails.
You see that steep part?
I think it might.
Where we tried to go up?
Yeah.
So I'm thinking there's a trail that branches off that main one right there.
Let me see. All right. So yes, it is actually that trail.
The main one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It kind of.
Does it veer off it?
And it just, according to this, it dead ends, which means, I don't know, let's just go up there, let's see what happens. We don't know, right?
Yeah.
We don't have any other trail to take.
So let's go.
Yeah, let's do it.
We can see the creek mark there.
Yeah. Oh, someone left us some firewood. The question is, do we want to take the easy way and wrap back this way, Jess, and get up there, or do we want to try to climb up the side of the mountain to get to it?
I thought we climb up.
Maybe we should just be safe and go around. That's not. We're going around. We could probably go up right there. Ow. My hand? My leg won't reach that far, Jesse. That's even further. Okay? Yeah. Ow. Ow. Hold something in my hip. That's why we pack lots of Advil. Oh, look how pretty this water is. It's so clear. So clean. Oh, I'm completely submerged. Well, it doesn't matter now. I'll just walk across now. That was the whole point. I was trying to save my shoes, but at this point, we are submerged. Oh, that's some cold water. All right. So this is where we start down a new trail. That we've not a new trail, a trail we haven't been on. They're like, yeah, we'll just climb up the side. Yeah. Ooh, this is a little sketch. Alright. Uh-oh. Doggies. Oh, nice doggy. Oh, he looks like he wants to play. Approach slowly, honey.
No ship.
No ship. Nuke ship.
Yes.
Tieni, meer papšim.
Patrz. Jak szłogier sobie.
This is like, yeah, this is actually like a paved-ish trail.
Like the Roman trail, you know?
Yeah, you're right. I wonder if it is that old.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another doggy. Wow. Yeah, you're right, Jess. This is interesting. I wonder how old this trail is. It's like carved into the rock. I didn't realize it was going to be like this. Yeah.
Thank you, Romans. I don't know if it is or not. Sure.
Yeah, I don't either, but it could be. Oh, this is cool.
Yeah.
This is definitely easier than walking down there along the ravine. I mean, that was pretty though because of the water, but this is way easier. Cool. Interesting. Yeah, look at that. So what, we just go this way? Let me check the map. Yeah, I know. Maps and like we. If it feels like this goes too far off, then we'll turn back.
We're kind of going the wrong way.
I'm not. It's fun. I don't know where we're going. Towards the water, that trail there. So many trails. Yeah. Which is why I kind of feel like we should have taken one of those other trails maybe.
Yeah, that trail right there? Yeah.
Yeah. That's probably the trail we're supposed to be on. Let's see where this goes. There's no such thing as a wasted hike.
Right.
We're just exploring new territory. Oh! Magical little valley! Look! Wow! Come on, let's go.
We're going it?
Yeah, of course. I'm passing up a magical little valley. Any chance you want to stand on there while I come over? Or maybe not. I'll wait for you. Can you just move that stick? Can you just move it? Thank you, good sir. Oh, barbed wire. Look at this cuteness. Look how cute. We're in a little field. Someone set up camp right over there. That'd be a nice spot. I wonder what time it is. It's only 11:45 a.m. I still have 4 hours and 15 minutes to get to work on time. I feel like we're getting close to our waterfall. Oh, I think it's over there. Is that the waterfall? I think it is. So we took the right trail after all? No, it is. I can see it from here. I don't know how to get to it, but I see it. Look at all the dandelions. I want to pick them and make tea. Wow, look at them all. Oh, there's a shack up there.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Get the hell out of here. We'll get sent to trout thing.
I think there's a waterfall back there.
Get back to the trail.
What trail? That one?
Yeah.
Alright. So this goat herder told us to find the waterfall, we need to go this way. I kind of see a trail down there. Oh, there's a goat! We could adopt a new hiking goat. Ah, 10 minutes later. We have a bunch of goats following us. Did you find it?
Found the river.
All right.
River, I mean, creek.
Another great campsite. You found it! Woo! Yay! We found it! Yay! I'm so excited! Objective complete.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. This is beautiful. I'm sinking. I'm sinking. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Let's be smart about this. Makes this look so easy. God. Please don't, honey. Come on. Don't, okay? If you climb it, I'm climbing it. I don't even know which way to go here. Go that way. Try this way. Whew. Steven. Oh my God, there's so much garbage here. Whoever left all this garbage here, shame on you. What? What? I can't hear you. Yay! And it's only noon. What? You can go up there? Don't do it. That is kind of cool. Whoa.
Like, let's do it. Yeah, let's go. Gotta get the extra 2 feet of insight in.
Yeah, if you get stuck in there, I'm not getting you out.
You could get stuck now.
Anyone who's ever gotten stuck didn't think they were gonna get stuck. Hey, look at this giant snail! Hey, buddy! No.
I'll go out there.
Alright, I'm leaving you.
Purple clouds.
Oh yeah, I see him. I think that one trail goes up that way. I don't know. I shouldn't. Ow. 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 Oh, that's pretty.
Good?
Yeah, nice view.
Yeah, I think the field's like right up there.
What?
The field's right up there.
Yeah. And I think that other trail kind of wraps around that way. We'll explore it all other times, honey. I'm gonna, don't worry, I'll scoot my way out of there. I'm just gonna scoot. I can't. I am afraid to stand up. Watch out.
Come on, you're gonna...
Oh, come and sinking! I'm sunk. Oh, this is just, okay, let's get out of here. This is actually very cool and refreshing water. All right. I am sloshy once again. I think I'm just gonna walk out this way instead of trying to climb over that. I'm just gonna walk through here. I had a hard time climbing up over that. All right. Well, that was fun.
That was fun.
Look at that beautiful water.
Yeah. I love seeing like the plants in the water.
I know, I do too. Especially when the water's real clear.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so beautiful. All right. And look at that beautiful snow-capped mountain off in the distance.
Oh, wow.
God, I mean, you have a waterfall, a creek, and a snow-capped mountain, and a goat herder. This is this is magical. Oh, see this trail here? I think this is like when we want to go past the waterfall and like maybe above it. I think we would go this way.
Wanna do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's just take a quick peek and we're turning around. All right, so the waterfall appears to be right down there somewhere. We are gonna go ahead and turn back. There's a lot of other trails we'd love to explore here, but you know, we have limited time today, so we achieved our objective of finding the waterfall. Finally. Just noticing some of these huge scratch marks going up this rock here.
It was me
Look at the
climbing
size
that.
of some of these.
I forgot to clip my nails.
That's hilarious, Jesse. So there's big scratch marks. That's a keeper. Look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, that's today's rock. So we would really love to continue down that path. Ooh, look at that rock. And explore further, but we're gonna turn around for today. See the creeks coming together here. There's one coming this way, and one coming that way. Oop. Waterfall. Whew.
Oh, look at that. That's cool.
I love these beautiful succulents. I don't know what they are. Look at them.
Okay, it's the same guy. That is the goats.
Mm-hmm.
That's a beautiful house. That's a beautiful house.
It's a goat. There's another goat. So this road carved into the mountain here is pretty fascinating. We would really like to know the history, how old this road is. We don't actually know. Road path. I guess it's not really a road.